Part 2, guys. Okay. Oh, nice. Red. Nice. Broskies. Only one. On this beach, there's a lot work to do. So that's why it's called Bloxburg. Right, this is really hard, by the way. And let's go here, like here. Yeah. That's not even far, bro. It's not even far. Circuit. Player, work, and shift. Whoa! Okay. Home. Go to. What the, bro? Broskies. Wait, who chat? Who chat? Okay, bye. What the? Hi Tom, I earned some cash working with Alan. Did you manage to locate a bridge for me? Absolutely. It's not a top of the line model, but I will keep your food fresh. Whoa! Thanks, Tom. Build mode. Oops. Decorate. Appliances. Where is it? Where can I place it? Where is it? Wait a minute. Did she build this? Aha! You build this, Tom. Don't you? Come on. Go to kitchen. Let's go. Take a meal. Just drink. Like, I need to pay for the food? Yo, that's odd. That's not good. Continue eating until full. Sarap nito ah. String fruit. Joke lang. So, talk to Tom na naman. Grabe naman kayo, broskies. Hey Tom, you were spot on about the fridge. It's since better days, but at least my drinks are chilled. Fantastic. With the short, you're pretty much all set up. How about kicking back and relaxing a bit? Oh, I forgot. Okay, skills. I really should interested some into improving my skills. They could come in handy someday. Oh, okay. Okay, it's awesome. Okay, let's go. Take a book from shelves. Okay. You just learned a new skill. See what you have unlocked. Show rewards. Oh, money. Skip. Come on. Well, that's sure up some rate. I may have to consider taking any more book. Coming soon from Tom any soon. Oh yeah. Now that's all done, I should get used to my new surrounding and go back to Tom when I'm ready to continue. Okay, so I need to go to Tom again. Hey Tom, I read up that book you suggested and it's quite something. I'm thrilled you enjoy it. Seems like you're selecting in nicely here in Bloxburg.
Napatay mo siya, diba?
I know ya. That's for sure. One more thing before I'll... Ano? Yo, come on. Skip. Skip. Yeah. Bobox. Bobox. This is Bobox. No, my name is John. Wow, Jonathan. What the?
Guys, sabi is, ako sa'yo. Talaga guys.
Remember me.
Don't touch this.
No.
Please.
Just tell it. It's supposed to be something.
No. I will never tell you.
Like cardboard box. Where is it? Decorate. Here. Appliance. Of course, no. Build. Basements. Chimneys. Fence gates. Where is it? Here. I don't know. Skip na. Remove a cardboard box. Oh, okay. Yo, I'm literally. Oh, come on, bros. How can I do this, brothers? Hindi pa po. Hindi pa po. Angry right now. So mad at night now. I don't know. Let me leave and rejoin. I am really angry right now. I can't Ay, wait lang po.
Wait lang guys.